Come back to my channel. Today I have me to Muhammad Tube, and today I'm really going to pack opening. I will open 10 packs each. I have over 85 rating. I will do a challenge. You have to give me in the comments. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, and peace. Let's get started. Before I go, I will show you my best bag. It's a legend blankets. It's a center bag. It's my last legends. My little sister gave it to me. Let her to do my bag opening. But first, let me start bag opening. My first bag. It's a white player. He's a center back in Spanish, and he has a 44 pace. This is so shit. I got a fake Puyol. Puyol is Puyol, yeah. If you can remember, a non-rare, and my next pack, a left wing Castore. Let's non-rare in my third pack. I will open 5. Please give me a 185 rating. I got an inform in my fourth pack, and he is a little bad in form. Not bad pack. At my fifth pack, I got a center mid Italiano Parole, 74 pace, 79 shooting, 76 dribbling, 77 defending, 82 physical, 77 passing. Not good pack. Let's see our sixth pack. It's Casocolen, 87 center back, 87 pace. He's playing Arsenal, I know. And let's see a little bit. In my last video I said bait. Okay, in my last videos in FIFA I said I am an Arsenal player. I mean an Arsenal fan. I'm really good Arsenal fan. Don't mean it. I'm Arabic. I don't like talking English so much, but I have to learn from my wrong language. Please forgive me. In my 7th pack, I got a center mid Spanish Herrera, play in Manchester United. And in Formia Andera Porto. It's not bad at all. And non-rare is my 8th pack, and I didn't get any good players. My players from the FIFA, from the Hamatek team. He is 93 pace. He's my super sub. He play in the La Liga. I got a center forward Totai Italiano play at Roma. He's good, but his little problem is 83 pace. Go shit yourself. Not good back. Another in my last pack, it's a center mid. He's Sharkov. I'll do another 5 packs. I didn't get anyone. A legend! I got a legend! Striker! Linker! I don't believe that! Fuck! Oh my god! Oh my god, he's a legend! It's not bad at all! I got 6 legends! Oh my god, another way. But doesn't matter, I got a legend! And now I got 3 pack again! A legend! Oh my god, I was 3 pack again! Another one way. Doesn't matter, I got a legend! Oh my god, you're just killing me! I got a legend! Not bad. Oh my god, a player, Ashike, Italian, playing in La Liga. He is Ochoa. He's a goalkeeper, and he's a bad goalkeeper. And now, my last pack, I don't know, all I'm just pressing buttons. Oh my god.
And now